Hello everyone! So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung nag-message sa akin kagabi doon sa comment section ng aking YouTube channel. Ganito yung kanyang message. Teach, ang saya-saya ko ngayon dahil may 3 classes na ako. Kaya lang when I check on my lesson fee summary ay mayroong mga deduction. Successfully ended class naman po sana. Ano pong nangyari? Okay, so I have a follow-up question sa comment. Ano po yung mga time slots ng inyong mga classes? Baka na late yung kanyang lesson memo. Hindi na siya nakapag-reply kasi hindi yun agad-agad kikita kasi sa YouTube hindi ganun ka bilis compare sa kung nag-chat talaga yung teacher sa iyo. Siguro dito lang niya feel na i-share yung kanyang frustration kasi ang saya na sana niya kaya lang mayroon siyang deduction. Okay, so let us try to review the deadlines of making a lesson memo. Kasi ito yung nakita kong problem, bakit nagka-deduction yung nag-comment sa akin. Okay, so if your class started from 0:00, that is 12 midnight, to 12:25 end of the class, that is in the afternoon, deadline in making lesson memo for those classes that you have rendered will be 2 p.m. same day or 1400 sa military time pa, okay? Now, kung lumagpas ka ng 2 p.m., then you will have your deduction for delayed lesson memo. Now, if your class started from 12:30 in the afternoon up to 6:25 in the evening or 18:25 in the evening, then the deadline in making lesson memo for those classes will be 8 o'clock in the evening or 20:00. So, yan kasi yung usually nalilito yung teachers dun sa 6 to 6:25 na class. Kung mayroon kayong klase ng 6 o'clock to 6:25, the deadline for that is napakalapit lang kasi 8 o'clock in the evening or 20:00. So, dapat natin yang bantayan. Kasi dyan kasi sunod-sunod yung ating mga classes. Okay. Now, if your class started from 6:30 or 18:30 to 11:55 in the evening, or kung sa military time pa ating kompletohin, 18:30 to 23:55 in the evening. So the deadline for making lesson memo will be 9 o'clock in the morning the next day. You will have a longer period of time in making lesson memo. Pero syempre, hindi na natin hihintayin na mag 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So dapat talaga agad-agad ginagawa na natin siya ng lesson memo. If ever na yung mga classes mo ngayon na araw, nalimutan mong gawan ng lesson memo at umabot ng 12 noon time the next day, then all your classes will be marked absent. Kahit naka-render po kayo or nakakandak po tayo ng ating classes. Okay? So, pakatandaan natin yung mga time slots and the deadline in making lesson memos of those particular classes. Kasi, yun yung nakita kong reason bakit nagka-deduction yung teacher na ang saya-saya na sana niya, kaya lang mayroon siyang deduction. Hindi pa rin siya makukonsider na successfully ended class kung hindi tayo nakapag lesson memo. Okay? I hope this video helps. And before I'll end my video, I always advertise this one to all of you that if you want to be one of my referrals, then message me here in TikTok, in Messenger, in Facebook, i-follow nyo ako or mag-message kayo under my video or kaya sa YouTube, mag-message kayo under comment section para mapansin ko kayo and I can send you the requirements and steps to follow in applying here at 51 Talk. And you can also directly click my referral link because kung sino man yung nakapasok sa aking referral link, immediately nagsisend naman ako ng mga email. I hope that I can hear from you soon, and if you only want me to be your guide, then message me and I am very willing to help you. Thank you very much and God bless everyone. Bye!